This is the sixth part of our first lesson, An Astrologer's Day. So this part will start from the second paragraph on page number 3. So open your books, page number 3, second paragraph. Now listen carefully. He had left the village without any previous thought or plan. If he had continued there, he would have carried on the work of his forefathers. What is the meaning of forefathers? Look at the board. Forefather, it means ancestor. Namely, the meaning of namely, it means that is to say. Namely, tilling. The meaning of tilling, it means cultivating. Tilling the land, living, marrying and ripening. Look at the meaning of ripening here. Ripen, it means be fully matured or old. Ripen in this cornfield. Look at the meaning of cornfield. Cornfield, it means a field in which corn or any other grain is being grown. So what is field? Field, it means farm, and corn, it means cereal grain. And ancestral home. So here we are getting information about that astrologer. Before being an astrologer in that place, he was living in a small village, and there were his ancestors, his forefathers were doing the work of farming. All his forefathers, his grandfather, his father, they worked in their farm, they matured there, they became old and they died. And if this astrologer had to live there, then he also had to face this life in that village. But because of some reasons, he left that village and came into this city. But that was not to be. He had to leave home without telling anyone. And he could not rest till the left it behind a couple of 100 miles. A couple of, meaning of a couple of, it means couple of, it means two. A couple of 200 miles. So there some incident happened, a particular incident happened, and because of that he had to leave that village. And he when ran from that village, he didn't stop before completing 200 miles distance from that village. To a villager, it is a great deal, as if an ocean flowed between. So that distance from his village where he was living and now where he is living in the city, the distance between these two places was very long, and as one can say that the distance was as huge as the ocean will flow from that place. He had a working analysis of mankind's trouble, marriage, money, and the tangles. Look at the meaning of tangle. Tangle, it means a confused or complicated state. Tangles of human ties. Look at the meaning of ties. It means human relation, attachment. Now, here is given the information about the astrologer's today's life. How he is predicting his customers' future and past. For that, he was analyzing. It means he was making differences between the people's, humans' troubles. What kind of troubles normally people have in their life? There are many points given here, such as marriage, money, and human attachment, human relationship. Long practice had sharpened his perception. Look at the meaning of perception. Perception, it means act of perceiving. So what is the meaning of perceive? Look at here. Perceive, it means to gain knowledge of something with the sense or mind. So when he was practicing there about humans, mankind's troubles, that practice he did by a long time's analysis, and because of that analysis, that continuous practice, he became very sharp to get the knowledge of that particular person's life. Within 5 minutes, he understood what was wrong, and when he was talking with his customer, that time, within 5 minutes, he understood that what happened in that person's life and what he is thinking about his life. He charged 3 pies. Look at the meaning of pies. Pais, it means a former monetary unit of India. So what is the meaning of monetary? Look at here. Monetary means of money, and unit it means single coin or single thing. He charged 3 paise per question. So when the customer asked this astrologer any question, for one question he was charging 3 paise. Paise, it was a former coin of India at that particular time. He never opened his mouth till the other had spoken for at least 10 minutes, which provided him enough stuff. Look at the meaning of stuff. Stuff, it means material or information. For dozen question answers and advices. So he had one trick, that first he let the customer talk with him at least 10 minutes, and within that talking, that conversation, he understood that what problem that particular person had in his life. Then he collect the stuff, information, material about that person, and after that he was ready for any question asked by that particular person or his customer, and he was ready to give any kind of advice to that person. When he told the person before him, gazing at his farm, in many ways you are not getting the fullest result of your efforts. 9 out of the 10 were disposed. Look at the meaning of disposed. It means inclined towards a particular mood or activity. So after hearing for 10 minutes, this astrologer first gazed, looked sternly, steadily at the palm of the customer, and after he said that you are doing a lot of effort in your life, but you are not getting the fullest result of your efforts, and because of this 9 customers of the 10 believed on it. They believed that they are doing a lot of efforts, but they are not getting enough according as per their efforts. Or he questioned, is there any woman in your family, maybe even a distant relative, who is not well disposed towards you? Then if he realized that any customer is not satisfied, then he said to that person, that customer, that in your family there is one lady, a woman who is not a well-wisher of you. She always tries to make some kind of bad things about you. Or he gave an analysis of character. Most of your troubles are due to your nature. How can you be otherwise the Saturn? Saturn? We all know what is Saturn, but I am giving you the meaning here. Saturn, a planet of the solar system. Saturn, where he is, and after that he told his customers about the customer's nature and told him that how can you be alive here because of that particular planet Saturn. If that planet, that Saturn, change his position, then you are not allowed to be alive. You will definitely die. You have an impetuous. The meaning of impetuous is given here in the blue line, impulsive. So what is the meaning of impulsive? Look at here. Impulsive means act or done without forethought. So what is the meaning of forethought? Look here. Forethought, it means carefully think about the future. And without forethought, it means not carefully thinking about the future. You have an ambitious nature and a rough exterior. Exterior. Look at the meaning of exterior. It means outer. Exterior. This endeared. The meaning of endeared is given here. Make likable, make lovable, make dear. Endeared him to their hearts immediately. For even the mildest of us loves to think that he has a forbidding exterior. Look at the meaning of forbidding. Forbidding, it means stir or dangerous looking. So when he told the people about their nature, first he said that you are so ambitious. It means you are so impulsive. You work without thinking properly about future. What will happen in the future if you do these kind of things? And then he says that you are very rough person from outside, but from the inner heart you are so soft. And this thing immediately liked every customer, and automatically the customer's heart makes some kind of contact relationship with the astrologer and his prediction. And everyone, particularly everyone from us, thinks that he is very soft by his inner heart, but outside he tries to show the people that he is very strict, he is stern, he is dangerous looking. So here we are going to stop today. Have a good day to all of you. Thank you very much.